So in this video of technology, we'll see how the notebook LM teacher can use wisely. Okay, so notebook LM itself has released lots of feature, and last week they have released a slide deck. So flashcard give you basically the option through which you can easily visualize the concept, and you can teach, or even the student can use this flash card option or the slide deck option for remembering things easily. Okay, so let's get started. So suppose I have a blog, this one. Okay, so this is a blog, and I replace my entire Microsoft Office subscription with free open source app, and I have to teach the same thing to my student. So I will be try using this flashcard first. Okay, and then in the another video we'll see the slide deck. So currently I'm sitting here on this free notebook LM. I don't have any paid subscription, so I'll be trying here. So under free subscription, I guess you can add 100 sources. So I'm adding here my first one. So I will click here on the website, and this is the link. Okay, so this is the blog link, this one. So I'm going to insert here, and this is the source. So even you can add a multiple source. Suppose you have another URL, another YouTube channel, you can also add similar way. Okay, so you have to come up here and you can add like this. Suppose you have a file on the Google Drive, you can also do here. Well, source limit you see under free plan, the 50 we will have here. So up to 50 source you can add, and based on that your the flashcard will be created. Got it? So in case you need wider size for this middle section, actual content section, you can hide this one. Even you can right side, you can hide. Correct? So you can review this one, and you can go for the video overview, audio. These are already feature, uh, older feature for this one. But yeah, you can also go for the audio overview, video overview, mind map, and the flashcard. Okay, so I'm clicking here. Let me try this one, the flashcard. I have just clicked here on it. See here, it took me 1 minute, and my open source flashcard is ready. If I click here, I can see that. Well, now I can hide this section. Even I can pull it to the lowest in this particular content area. You see here, what was the other primary financial reason for switching from this? The answer. You can see the answer. The ultimate, eliminate the recurring subscription cost saving this one. Okay. So I give this particular block. So they replace the Microsoft Office with free open source app. So it is saying the first thing you see here. I can again restart. What was the author's primary financial reason for switching from Microsoft Office? If you click here on the C answer, you will find here to eliminate the recurring subscription cost saving 70 USD per hour. Okay, so if you come up here, you can also go for explaining this one. Correct? But no, I don't want. So you can go next one. Which open source application was presented a direct replacement for this? You can see the answer here. Okay, so LibreOffice Writer. Next, what key file format does LibreOffice Writer handle natively, using the transition from MS Word? So this is the doc format. Next, similarly, we will have the multiple questions. So you see here how the teacher will be saving their time. In those time, if you create from this manually, will take lots of time. Even not just in hours, it can be completed. It will take the days to creating such kind of thing here. But with this notebook LM, this is how the teacher will going to save the time. Okay, and even not just this one, you can after teaching this particular session or taking this session with your full class, you can even download and you can share this, and a student also can see the same thing at their own. Well, to share this, teacher can click here, or anyone here. You see here on the top share option. So I will quickly click here. Then I can find here anyone. So either you can put individual name here, and that will be notified to them. And but in case you want to make it accessible to anyone, you can simply uh, take from restricted to or anyone with the link and copy and paste. Now, if anyone getting this link, they will have this link and they will log in from their account and they will be able to see that at their end. Okay, so once they log in, they will have the access to this particular link and they will be able to see this. Okay, but yeah, this will be asking for the login with the Gmail. Okay, so I can download this one. Yeah, so this is the CSV download format coming in front of me. Okay, so these are all the questions here. The left side you can see, and on the right side you see here the answer for the same. Correct. So this is how easily you are able to create here. So whatever the mention here within this block, if you go through one by one step after reading that particular block and you go through the questions mentioned here, you'll find everything is covered here. Okay, and this is the any visual representation today is the one of in the highly demand because it is easy to remember and easy to recall even. Okay, so you can try this, any teacher can try this one or even the student can try this one. Even they can have a source, multiple source, up to 50 source they can add in the open source. Okay, so with the free model of NotebookLM, they can go for adding 50 source and then you can ask for compiling this one. Okay, so you don't have to actually go for the say something like compile this one. You just have to go for either you can go for flashcard, either you can go for queues, infographics, slide X. So there are lots of things here. Okay, got it. So audio overview is freely available. I have already created a video around audio video. Map mind I have already covered. Report is also available in the free and the flashcard and the quiz also. So infographic and slide decks, I guess it will be coming in the paid version. Okay, so currently available, but we are working on adding this one. So last week Google have released this one, but I'm not sure why this much is coming. Well, got it. So this is how you'll be able to do this at your end. Yeah. So you can go for something like this. You can again want to start from the beginning. You can reset here. It covered 26 slide. And let me try one more time. So there is an option here to explain. Okay. So what if you click here on the explain? If you click here on the explain, it the left side will be opening here, and you will have the more information around this. So even the teacher will not be only teaching the just one liner kind of thing. So even required to explain in detail sometimes they can also go for that one after clicking here on the explain. Okay. So this is all from this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.